Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Today I'm going to give you 3 reasons why I love this Ring plug-in mount for a Ring Floodlight camera. Here I got the Floodlight Pro. It also works with the Floodlight Plus. But reason number 1 is I can put this floodlight anywhere on my house as long as it's within a 20-foot reach of a plug-in. I don't need an electrical box on the side of my house. Normally you would install these are hardwired. You would have wires coming out of your house, you would have an electrical box, and that's how you would install it. But with this mount, it has the wires installed in it with this cord. So you mount the mount, then you mount the light to the mount, and you just plug it in, 20 foot long. It's still weather tight, so I can still put this anywhere on the outside of my house. As long as you have kind of a flat surface to mount it to, I can put this anywhere now. Reason number 2 is it is super easy to install. Installing that bracket took 2 wood screws. You rotate the other bracket on, hook up the wires, and then you're ready to go. And then the last thing is you put these little nuts on. And it does come with the tool that makes it so easy to take those on and off with. Now reason number 3 is kind of the same thing. It's a 20-foot cord, and again, I can put this anywhere. I absolutely love this, being able to put this Ring floodlight now anywhere, and I'm not held to only have an electrical box on the outside of my house. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.